Running represents a straightforward and remarkably advantageous form of physical activity, easily accessible to many. Commencing a regular running routine may present challenges initially. However, upon successful establishment, a multitude of benefits await. Curious about the bodily transformations resulting from a daily running habit? Stick around till the end of this video, it's bound to captivate you. Firstly, your happiness quotient will soar. Studies show that just a 30-minute run can significantly uplift the mood of individuals grappling with depressive disorders. Notably, this effect isn't contingent on speed. Even a brisk walk-turned-run induces this positive change. Furthermore, prolonged runs trigger the production of endorphins, delivering that famed runner's high, and an overall sense of euphoria. Calorie burn becomes a major player. Running demands substantial energy expenditure. Consider a 70-kilogram runner burning 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace. Within 30 minutes, that sums up to a whopping 366 calories. And this is for plain terrain. Challenges like wind resistance, uphill routes, or increased pace amplify calorie torching. Contrary to popular belief, running contributes positively to knee health. Studies reveal lower instances of knee pain among runners, owing to the maintenance of healthy body mass indices, fortified leg muscles, and bones. The impact of running strengthens muscles, tendons, and ligaments with every step, a benefit not replicated by low-impact exercises like walking or swimming. A healthy heart is another feather in running's cap. Even 10 minutes of slow jogging daily significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This exercise form proves instrumental in enhancing the efficiency of your brain, refining memory retention and cognitive functions. Improved sleep quality emerges as an unexpected bonus. Regular moderate-paced running sessions correlate with better sleep patterns and an overall mental well-being uplift. Enhanced immunity is yet another perk. Regular aerobic exercise substantially lowers the risk of mortality from diverse cancers. Now, those aesthetically pleasing legs aren't just a dream. Running engages major lower body muscles, thighs, calves, and glutes. Moreover, core muscles are activated to stabilize the body during runs, resulting in overall body toning. Invest in proper running shoes, gradually increase intensity, diversify workouts, warm up, stretch post-exercise, and seek professional guidance to rectify technique flaws. Street versus treadmill, a debate worth exploring. While the psychological allure of outdoor running is undeniable, environmental factors weigh in. Polluted air in urban settings might push treadmill workouts with filtered air. However, if nature beckons, parks offer oxygen-rich running environments conducive to outdoor sessions. Ideally, if conditions allow, outdoor running remains preferable. By the way, do you incorporate running into your routine? Where do you prefer running, on the street or the treadmill? Share your thoughts in the comments. It's always fascinating to hear from fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget to explore more videos on our channel. Links are conveniently displayed on the screen. If you found this video informative, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Happy running!